You are going to love the 2010 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.